guys, welcome back to my channel CoolPiracy. Hope you are doing great. In this video, I am going to show you how you can become a certified programmer, also earn a certified badge from hackerrank, which not only help you in your engineering career but also enrich your priority from others in the field of jobs. So without wasting more time, let's jump into the video. HackerRank is a website where programmers from all around the world come together to solve problems in a wide range of computer science domains such as algorithm, machine learning and AI. In my previous video, I mostly discussed about 100 plus free courses, 50 plus free courses and how to get free certificates. All of those courses are provided with a particular time and assignment, and after the completion you are provided with a certificate. But in this video I am going to show you how you can compete your knowledge about coding with people all around the world and enhance your skill. HackerRank is a platform where you can show up your coding skill, and you need to prove yourself by giving an exam throughout the whole world and compete with the others from different backgrounds and earn the title of certified programmers. That means you are earning the badge of certified programmers, which will help you in future in your engineering career as well as in job. As you can see, HackerRank official website is here. The link to the official website will be down in the description. Coming to the sign up part now, you can go for the Facebook account, you can go for the G account, you can go for LinkedIn, GitHub account. You can also sign up and make a account related to the HackerRank. That means HackerRank account. Coming to the G account, I am coming with that and it is synchronizing. It will take a bit of time. After that, here is my Cashbook. You can simply check your name over here. You can edit your profile, you can set bookmark, you can submit your assignment from here. Coming to the sections of skill certified, what are the things they provide, what are the courses they provide. Programming solid basics, where you need your basic data structure and algorithm. You can go for React basic, you can go for JavaScript, Python, Java basic. Problem solving intermediate, that means the case of intermediate level. Now, as I have already told you, HackerRank not only provides you certificate but also certifies you as a real programmer, where you with your sharing potential, you earn the title of a programmer. Now coming to the Cashbook, as you can see, you can also go for the practice part, you can go for compete with the people all around the world. Jobs profile, where you are provided with jobs. So I'll show you each and every section. Coming to the Python basic part, how it works, let us check. Take the test. You need to prove yourself by giving a test like I am a certified programmer. You earn the badge, you earn the certificate after completion. Prove your skills. The HackerRank skills test is a standardized assessment of to help developers prove their coding skills. You need to prove yourself how good you are in coding, and you will earn the certificate. That is the reward from them. That will help you in your future journey. How does it work? You simply update your profile, take the test. After completion of the test, you can go for the apply job sections, where you are provided with various companies, jobs you need to do. It's not about freelancing, it's completely different from here because you get post. I'm going to show you what is the job section means over here. Get highlight, take your companies. There is no kind of any risk over here, zero risk. Don't worry about the risk category. What do you expect during the test is about 1 hour 30 minute time test, which is quite a great time. Python concepts you require: scalar type, operators and control flows, strings, collections and iteration, modularity, objects and types and classes. All that you need to know for this test. So coming to the other part, as you can see there are many parts. I am coming to the practice part. As you can see, there are many types of language. You can go for ADA, you can go for LOL code, you can go for Pascal, R code, C, C++, Perl, PHP. Many types of codings are here. You can also compete. That means each week they provide you an assignment where you need to show up your skills and improve your skills. kind of competing yourself with people around the world. Coming to the job section, as you can see, lead DevOps, senior backend engineer, these all are the posts that are backend. You can apply for them. The companies are all certified companies. They are big companies that are going on, and you can apply from here. But before that, you need to give a test from the hackerrank, which will help you in your job profile. So coming to the competition leaderboard, here you will be updated with your current ranking and the people who rank first or second, what are their scores about coding. Coming to the certificate, after that you will earn a certificate which of great cost, which will help you. Hope you guys like this video. If you do like, then hit the like button and subscribe to my channel CoolPiracy. Each week I am going to upload videos related to education, gaming, hack-centric, so that you can update yourself. Thank you for watching. Stay home, stay safe, and keep learning.